Measuring the computer's memory. The basic unit for measuring the memory of a computer is the byte. A byte consists of a group of 8 bits. For example, 100001011, that is 1 byte equals 8 bits. A group of 4 bits is known as a nibble, half a byte. For example, 1001, that is 1 nibble equals 4 bits. Other units for measuring the computer's memory are kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and so on. 8 bits is 1 byte. 1024 bytes is 1 kilobyte KB. 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte MB. 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte GB. 1024 gigabytes is 1 terabyte TB. 1024 terabytes is 1 petabyte PB. 1024 petabytes is 1 exabyte EB. 1024 exabytes is 1 zettabyte ZB. 1024 zettabytes is 1 yottabyte YB. 1024 yottabytes is 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobytes is 1 geobyte.